What do we want?
AI!
AI do what?
We don't know!
When do we need it?
Right now!
There's too much hype. I wonder what the future of marketing really looks like.
You need inspirations. Follow me.
Wow, what is this?
Can't believe I'm talking to a bird. It must be hallucination.
Wow.
Here we are.
AI isn't everything. What matters most is learning from each other and our human connection.
Cat connection.
That's all I can show. The real event is for you humans. Visit DMS in Seoul this March. Let's shape the AI native era together. See you!